Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're as hyped as I am for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, the biggest soccer event ever, co-hosted by the USA, Canada, and Mexico with 48 teams and over 100 matches, you know tickets are going to be a mad rush. We're just weeks away from the first sales phase starting on September 10th, 2025, and if you don't act fast, you could miss out on seeing stars like Messi, Ronaldo, or Mbappe live. In this ultimate step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to get those tickets, from registering interest to navigating the lottery, avoiding scams, and even scoring priority access. We'll cover pricing estimates, tips from past World Cups, and why this year's expanded format means more opportunities, but also more competition. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned fan, this in-depth breakdown has everything you need to secure your spot. We'll explore real examples from previous tournaments, common pitfalls, and insider strategies to beat the crowds. By the end, you'll be ready to score tickets before they sell out. Let's dive in and make sure you're in the stands come June 2026. First things first, let's talk about why getting tickets early is absolutely crucial in today's high-demand world of major sporting events. The 2026 World Cup isn't just another tournament. It's a historic expansion with 48 teams, up from 32, meaning 104 matches spread across 16 cities from Vancouver in Canada to Mexico City and all the way to Miami in the U.S. The opening match is set for June 11th at Estadio Azteca in Mexico City, and the final will be on July 19th at MetLife Stadium in New Jersey. FIFA is projecting billions of viewers worldwide, and with that comes insane ticket demand. Remember the 2022 World Cup in Qatar? Over 3 million tickets were sold, but millions more applications were rejected due to oversubscription. For 2026, FIFA expects to release around 6 million tickets, but with global interest peaking, especially in the US after the rise of MLS and stars like Pulisic, the competition will be fierce. Recent updates from FIFA in July 2025 confirm that sales will roll out in phases, starting with a random lottery to promote fairness and prevent server crashes like those seen in previous high-profile events. This system levels the playing field, but it also means you can't just log in at the last minute and hope for the best. Prices are another big factor. Drawing from 2022 data and early leaks for 2026, expect group stage tickets to range from $50 for the most basic Category 4 seats, behind the goals, to $300 or more for Category 1. Prime midfield views. Knockout rounds could climb to $500 plus, and the final might hit $1,000 for standard tickets. Hospitality packages, which include perks like premium seating, food, and even travel arrangements, are rumored to start at $1,350 and go up to $2,500 or higher per match, based on similar offerings for the Club World Cup 2025. But don't let that scare you. I'll show you how to target the affordable options and maximize your chances without breaking the bank. Now, on to step 1. Register your interest on the official FIFA website right now. This might sound basic, but it's the foundation of your entire ticket strategy, and skipping it could cost you dearly. Head straight to the official FIFA website at FIFA.com and navigate to the World Cup 2026 section. Look for the Ticketing or Register Interest tab. Once there, you'll see a simple form asking for your email address, full name, country of residence, and preferred language. It's completely free, takes less than 2 minutes, and signs you up for exclusive notifications. Why is this step so important? In past World Cups, like 2018 in Russia and 2022 in Qatar, registered fans receive priority alerts about sales phases, sometimes even early access codes for the lottery. For instance, during the 2022 ticket rollout, those who registered early were among the first to apply when the portal opened, giving them an edge in high-demand matches like the final. As of August 2025, the full ticketing portal isn't live yet, but FIFA has confirmed that registering now will ensure you're notified the moment applications begin on September 10th. A pro tip here: use a dedicated email address for this purpose to keep your main inbox clutter-free, as FIFA will send regular updates, including details on any special pre-sales for partners like Visa card holders. If you're an international fan, also note your passport details early, as they'll be required later for verification. This step alone puts you ahead of casual fans who wait until the last minute and end up disappointed. Moving to step 2. Understand the ticket sales phases and timeline in detail. Knowledge is power when it comes to high-stakes events like this. So let's break down how FIFA structures the sales to avoid the chaos of past tournaments. The process is divided into multiple phases to ensure fairness and manage demand. Phase 1 is the all-important lottery, kicking off on September 10th, 2025, and lasting about 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, you can apply at any point, as selections are random, not based on who applies first. This is a big change from older systems and helps prevent website crashes. In this phase, you'll select specific matches or packages, like following your favorite team through the group stage. Phase 2 follows in October 2025 with first-come, first-served sales for any remaining tickets from the lottery. This is where speed matters, so have your details ready. Phase 3 is for last-minute opportunities in spring 2026, including official resales where fans can transfer tickets at face value. Hospitality tickets, those luxury options with added perks, will be sold separately through FIFA's partner Match Hospitality starting around the same time as Phase 1, with prices reflecting the premium experience. To give you context, in the 2022 World Cup, the lottery phase saw over 23 million applications for just 25 million tickets, leading to massive rejections. For 2026, with more tickets available due to the expansion, your odds improve, but preparation is key. FIFA's July 2025 announcements also highlight dynamic pricing elements, where costs could fluctuate based on demand, similar to airline tickets. Another reason to apply early in the lottery. Step 3. Create or log into your FIFA account and prepare your personal details ahead of time. Once you're registered, the next logical move is to create a FIFA ticketing account if you don't have one already. This is done on the same FIFA.com platform and is free. You'll need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, address, and passport or ID number for verification, as all tickets are personalized to prevent scalping. Why bother now? Because when the portal opens on September 10th, you'll want to jump straight into applying without delays. For payment, have a Visa or MasterCard ready, as they're the official sponsors and often unlock exclusive pre-sales. In fact, Visa cardholders got early access in 2022, snagging tickets before the general lottery. If you're buying for a group, like family or friends, add their details too, as FIFA allows up to 4 guests per application, but everyone must be verified. Budgeting is crucial here. Category 4 tickets, the most affordable, often in the upper tiers, might start at $21 for opening games, based on Club World Cup 2025 pricing trends where tickets dipped to $13 due to low demand from heat waves. Category 1, with the best views, could be $200 to $400, while the final might command $800 to $1,200. For U.S. fans, also check local laws. States like California have anti-scalping regulations that could affect resales. This prep step turns what could be a stressful scramble into a smooth process. Now, step 4. Apply during the lottery phase. Here's how to maximize your chances for success. When September 10th arrives, log into Tickets FIFA.com and start your application. You'll see a user-friendly interface where you can filter by match date, venue, or team. Prioritize group stage games, as there are 72 of them across the tournament, making them easier to secure and cheaper. For example, a USA group match at AT&T Stadium in Dallas might be a hot ticket, but opting for a less hyped game like Uzbekistan versus Jordan in Vancouver could boost your odds. FIFA allows applications for up to 7 matches per phase, so diversify. Mix high demand, like knockouts, with safer bets. Submit everything before the deadline. Remember, it's a random draw, so timing within the window doesn't matter, but completeness does. To really maximize, apply for multiple categories if your budget allows, and consider accessibility options if needed. Stats from the 2022 lottery show that about 20% of applicants succeeded, with higher rates for less popular matches. If you're an international fan, note that FIFA allocates tickets by region to ensure diversity, so being from outside North America might give you an edge for certain games. Step 5. Payment and confirmation. What to do if you're selected in the draw. If luck's on your side, you'll get an email notification by late September with a secure payment link. Act fast. You typically have 48 to 72 hours to complete the transaction. or your allocation goes back into the pool for others. Payment is via credit card, and confirmation comes as a digital ticket in your FIFA account, which you'll access via the official app closer to the event. For added security, tickets are non-transferable until the resale phase, linked to your ID. This is FIFA's way of combating fraud, which plagued earlier tournaments. If you're opting for hospitality, expect to pay up front for the full package, but it includes perks like VIP lounges and guided tours, making it worth it for big games. Step 6. Alternative ways to get tickets if you miss the lottery. Don't give up yet. If the lottery doesn't go your way, there are still paths forward. Join official fan clubs like US Soccer Supporters Club or Canada Soccer's Canada Red program. These offer exclusive pre-sales and allotments for members, often before general sales in October. Visa cardholders, as FIFA's partner, might get a dedicated window, similar to how they did for the 2022 event. Another exciting option is FIFA Collect, the digital trading card platform where you can collect virtual cards of players and teams. By completing challenges and participating in drops, you can earn right to buy priority for World Cup tickets. It's like gamifying your way to the stands. Sign up at FIFA.com, and if you use my referral link, you'll get bonus cards to kickstart your collection. Link in the first comment. For resales, wait for FIFA's official platform in spring 2026, where tickets can be transferred at face value only. No inflated prices allowed, keeping it fair. Step 7. Essential tips to avoid scams, save money, and handle common mistakes. Scams are a real threat. FIFA warns against third-party sites like StubHub, where tickets can be voided on entry. Always stick to FIFA.com or authorized partners. If a deal seems too good, it's probably fake. To save money, target Category 4 or group games in less central venues like Edmonton. Prices there might be 20 to 30% lower due to demand. For travel, book early. Airlines like Delta and Air Canada are already hiking fares for June 2026, with increases up to 50% in host cities. Common mistakes? Forgetting passport verification or missing payment deadlines. Set calendar reminders. If you're disabled or need accessibility, FIFA offers dedicated tickets with companion options. Apply early in the lottery. Finally, the waiting game, final prep, and what to expect once you have tickets. Download the FIFA ticketing app for real-time updates, and mark December 2025 for the official draw in Las Vegas. That's when groups are set, letting you plan around your team's path. Resales open in spring 2026 for last-chance grabs. This World Cup is about more than games. It's a cultural phenomenon, so prepare for the experience of a lifetime. In conclusion, getting 2026 tickets is all about preparation, patience, and smart strategies. Follow these steps, register now, and you could be there for the magic. What match are you most excited for? Comment below, like if this helped, and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the stands.